Okay, everyone, I am recording this one right after the part A. All right. Okay, I'm going to do it. Okay, here, next one. What is the next one? The subheading. What is the title for the next part? What is that? What can be done? It means kind of solution. Here, within decades. What does it mean, decades? What are the decades? Decades means, what is it? Decade is 10 years. Decades means, 10-year periods. So what is it? Decade is a 10-year. And but what is it? More than just a 10, many 10 years. So periods. The world's leaders, the world leaders may be faced. What is the maybe faced? Means confronted, faced, confronted, met with a dilemma. What is a dilemma? Dilemma is what is a difficult decision. Okay. What to do about the incoming? What is it? What to do? Is a what? Solution? What to do? What to do incoming space object? Which one is object again? A comet or asteroid or meteor. All right. And incoming. What does it mean incoming here? So incoming is what is it? Coming in, right? Approaching. Okay, space object, space thing. Few experts. What is a few again? Few is very important. It's different from a few. Few means almost not. Very, 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 very few. And experts, what are the experts? Specialists. In this context, they are astronomers and scientists. Okay, who are the experts? Means what is a specialist? It means in this context, who are they? What are they? Astronomer. Here. Okay, here astronomer are giving the much thought. According to NASA, astronomer David Morrison, the number would roughly, what does it mean roughly? Approximately. It means about. It means about. Not exactly. It means, what is that? It means, what is it? Approximately. Okay, approximately staff. Staff means employee, hire. Would, what is about staff means what is it? Employ. A couple of shifts. What are the shifts here? At the bottom. What are the shifts? Shift is a group of workers. What do? Who work together for a set time. For a what? Set time before being replaced by another, what is a group? It is supposed to be run, what is it, for 27 hours. So people cannot do it for 24 hours. So there are three, what is the shifts? Some people work from, what is it, A2, what is it, A2, what is it, three groups, three sets of people. You know that we need to divide the 24 hours by 3. So almost 7.5 hours. They work 7.5 hours, one group. And then the other group come and then they work for 7.5 hours. And another group. That is a shift. All right. And McDonald's. What is it? He says. Okay, according to NASA Davis, the number would roughly staff a couple of shifts at McDonald's, he says. So what is this paragraph about? So actually this part is for the solution, but here, what is that? So what is the future decisions? Okay. Okay, future decisions. What to do about incoming space objects. So that is the what? Here. Main idea. All right, and next one. What is next paragraph is, what is Ed Lu, one of these few experts, is working on a plan that employs, what is employs? Synonym. We did it. Employs. Here is, what is a staff? A spaceship to deflect. What is a deflect? Change, what is a change directions? Okay, here. What is a change direction? Deflect means what is a change? So you know that employee. In this context, employees means uses a spaceship. What is another solution? Another solution is, what is that? Using spaceship. So deflect asteroids. What are the asteroids? Space rocks. We were originally, what does it mean originally? It means, what is it? First, thinking about how you would land on an asteroid and push it. So it is, what is it? Interesting. And here he says, but that doesn't work well. If the surface isn't solid, what is the surface? We did it. What is the surface? Outer layer. Isn't solid, hard. You have trouble landing or landing. You cannot land on the solid, what is the surface? That is a kind of a what? Problem. And here landing or keeping. Okay, I'm going to try to. Yeah, keeping actually, what is the keeping anything on it? Moreover, what is the moreover here? In addition, and moreover, and also asteroids are always rotating. What is the rotating here? Spinning. Like a Earth, we always spins, rotate. Okay? And here, let's go back to this page. And here, what is this paragraph about? What is it about? It means add loose, what is it? Deflection plan. Using what? Spaceship. But it might not work when the layer, what is the surface is not solid. So what is it, this one? Whose idea? Whose plan? Edlu. Okay, here. So the what is it? The title. Edlus. What is it? Deflection, changing direction. Okay, deflection. What is it? Plan. So what are the key words? Edlu, and spaceship, and deflecting. Okay. Here, I'm going to erase it all. Boom. And now, honest artist illustration. What is illustration? Picture? Okay, this is what? Illustration, picture, not photo. Of a huge asteroid crashing, hitting, striking into Earth. What is a huge synonyms? We've done it. So we can just do what is a practice, massive. Or another word, do you remember? Giant. How do you like this what? Illustration. You know that here. What is this? This is a what? What is this? This is asteroid. What is this? This is a asteroid. What is it? This is a space rock. Okay, I'm going to erase all. Boom. Okay, we have 3 more paragraphs to go. Okay, J. Pulling the asteroid along would be much easier. Pulling the asteroid along would be much easier rather than having a physical line. Physical line between you and the thing you are towing. You are just using the force of gravity between them. Who? Lou says. He brought another idea. What is that? Using what? Gravity. Okay, having the physical. What does it mean physical here? Physical means, what is a physical? Real. And what does it mean towing? Tow car. There is a tow car. What is towing? Means pulling. So what is the another idea? What is the gravity? A nearby spacecraft. Spacecraft means spaceship and spacecraft and space vehicle. Would pull the what? Pull the what? Would pull the asteroid up course. You know that up course means to change the course. What is that one? Deflect. Do you remember it's related to what? Where is it? Of course means, what is it? Deflect. Very slowly, but steadily. Okay, steadily means what? Slowly and gradually. Using only what? Gravity. Just a slight. What does mean slight? Slight means very small chance. In course could mean missing Earth. Could mean missing Earth means they do not what? crash. So you know that missing means avoiding by tens of thousands of kilometers. So what is the title of this one? Okay, what is another way? Solution for the threat. What is the solution for the threat? What is that? Gravity. Tractor method. Method means what is it? Way. All right? Method. So they can use the what? Gravity. And next, what is it? On asteroid, what is a bomb? What is another idea? Another idea is what is a bomb? Asteroid bomb. Okay, let's read on. The drawback. What is the drawback? Drawback is we learned it last time, I think. Disadvantage. It means not advantage, not benefit, drawbacks. Of loose plan is that it would work only for asteroids up to a few hundred meters across that could be engaged far from Earth. Okay? And this plan is what is it? Would work only for asteroids up to a few hundred meters across that could be engaged far from Earth. Okay, here engaged means what is it? Dealt with. And then could be dealt with the only the one. And Earth. And here the Russian scientist Vladimir Simonenko. Simonenko, what did he do here? And his colleagues, again, what are the colleagues? We did it in the beginning, in part A. What are the colleagues? You know, the Jefferson answered that the teammates and co-workers. Or teammates. Concluded. Okay, so what is it? Concluded. It means they just decided that the best method to deflect. What is a deflect? Here. Deflect means what is that? Change what? Direction. A larger asteroid up to 1.5 kilometers wide would be to explode would be explode a nuclear bomb nearby. What is a explode? We did it right before. What is explode? It means blast. The explosion would destroy the smaller rocks. So how do you like this way? How do you like this best way? This is the best, what is it, method? Here, what is it? Explosion is a blast. What is a destroy? Break apart, destroy. And here for larger ones, the explosion. What is the explosion? Blowing off would what? Would burn a layer of rock off the asteroid's surface. Layer, it means what is the outer covering too, and layer, covering, outer covering. The expanding gas, what is expanding? Expanding means, EX means out. Expanding means, what is it? Growing, spreading. Gas would act as a rock motor. Okay, what is it? Act. What is it? Like a motor. It is like an engine. Pushing the asteroid onto a new course. All right. Which one? The expanding gas. The gas would act. Would act means function like. Work. Work like. Function like as a rocket motor. All right. And so what is it? This paragraph, it means what is another method? Bomb. What kind of a bomb? Nuclear. Nuclear way. Nuclear option. And with the nuclear bombs, and then they could deal with the what? Solve the problem of the threat from space. Okay, the last one. So what is the last one? As what is f of is swings. What is a swings? Means swings past means flies by. Okay, what are they? Flies by. Earth in 2027, as means like a when, there is a small chance that Earth's gravity will deflect. Once again, what is a deflect? We've done it deflect many times here, deflect. Here, oopsie. I did not mean to use this color. Oopsie, here, deflect. It means to change direction. The asteroid just enough to put it on a certain collision. What is the collision? Heat, crash, course with our planet on the next pass in 2036. Again, there is a small chance that Earth's gravity will deflect the asteroid just enough to pull it on a certain collision course with other planet on the next pass in 2036. The odds are currently estimated. What are the odds? The odds means, what are the odds? It means likelihood. Okay, likelihood. So in Korean, this one. Okay, the likelihoods are currently, what is it, estimated? What does it mean currently? Currently means, what is this? At this moment, now. What does it mean estimated? Estimated here is, what is it? Calculated. At 1 in 45,000. So strike is extremely, what is it? Unlike. What is a strike? Strike means, what is this? Collision. Where is the collision? Okay, strike is, what is a collision? Extremely means very. Unlikely. What is it? Unlikely. We did it. Unlikely. What is the unlikely? Means not. What is it? It means improbable. Not probable. Okay? And unlikely. Meanwhile, we did it at the same time. Astronomers, space scientists will continue, not stop, to track. What is a track? Track is monitor here. Monitor. What is the opposite is to learn. If we will merely, what is it? Only. Merely means, what is it merely? Only. Just. Taunt us again. What is a taunt? Taunting. Taunt means, what is it? Tease. Taunt means, what is a kind of a tease? So what does it mean here? It means to threaten. Okay, threaten. What is us again? Or actually, wow, actually, what is a strike? What is a strike? It means what is a hit or smash? Or what is a collide? Okay, crash. So what is the concluding paragraph about? What is it about? So what is it? We say it is about Apophis, right? This one. What is the about? Okay. For this is what? Future what? Path. Okay, the course. All right. So what about this unit? What is this unit about? What is the title? Give me the title of this paragraph. I mean the passage. What is that? The threat from space. What is the threat? So space rocks and ice. Okay, comets or asteroids. So, and then astronomers, they just suggest the kind of plans to deal with the threats. All right? Okay. I hope this lesson help you to understand the passage. All right? And then improve your English skills. All right? Okay. Thank you. Bye.